Hi plant loving friends, today I am talking to you about the water meters that we carry here at Groovy Plants Ranch called Sustee Water Meters. They come in 3 sizes and they're really neat little gadgets. I want to talk to you about how to use them and how they can help you find success with your plants. They're really easy. Basically, they have a window at the top that is white when they're dry, and when they are wet, they turn blue. When your water meter is in freshly watered soil, it'll be this blue color, and then it will fade to white as it dries down. It's really a simple concept. You're going to take your water meter, and they have an opening near the bottom, and you are going to place it in your pot so that opening is fully buried in the soil, and then make sure that the window is facing out. And that's it. Just start keeping an eye on what color the window is to know when to water. Different plants have different watering needs, so I'm not going to tell you what color blue you're looking for, but after a couple of waterings, you'll get the hang of what color of blue is the appropriate color for watering a particular plant. It comes in 3 sizes. There's a small, which is for a pot that is 3 or 4 inches across, the medium, which I put in this pot for a 6 to 8 inch pot, or the large, which is for an 8 to 10 inch pot. And each one has more paper core showing on the bottom to allow more access to the soil, and that helps it change colors appropriately with the soil in the size pot you have. So it's really important that you choose the correct size meter for the pot you're putting it in. And the idea is that you would leave this in the pot all the time, and then it's a visual indicator of when it's time to water your plant. This is really helpful for new plant parents, or forgetful waterers, or for that one plant that you just can't get the hang of exactly when to water it, because it's going to give you that visual indicator right here of being blue or white. This is a great little product that we carry here because we hope that it will help you find success. Thanks for watching.